Hey everybody, Tony from ShootingStarSVG back, and today I want to talk to y'all about how you can sublimate on white cast acrylic. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how you can get results like this, which is just white sublimated acrylic, okay? And these come out really, really detailed, and I've done it on plenty of things. So we're going to go ahead and go through and do this on hair clips. I will show y'all exactly how that is being done, and then I will show you what my settings are on the heat press, the pressing times, and then just a quick cut with the laser. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna head over to the workspace back there, and if y'all have any questions, just let me know. All right, so just so you can see this, I do have my heat press set to 360 degrees for 60 seconds on a medium pressure. This is a pull-out platen heat press from Heat Press Nation, and I will post the link in the comments box below for y'all to go ahead and check that out. But this is a workhorse of a machine. So I have my sublimation paper here, and this is what I'll be using. I'm going to go ahead and take the white cast acrylic that I have cut out on the laser, and I'm just going to go ahead and peel off one layer of the masking. And you don't have to peel off the other layer of the masking if you don't want to. I just peel off one side just to keep the other side protected, but I'm going to go ahead and do this for all of the clips. And then I'm going to go ahead and tape these down to the paper so you can see that there. I do have everything taped onto the sublimation paper. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put this face down on the butcher paper. That will prevent any blowout from getting on my lower platen. And I'm going to go ahead and put another piece of butcher paper on top, as well as a Teflon sheet for some extra protection from that blowout. And I know that this may seem silly, but this is the stack of plywood that I am currently utilizing to weigh down my prints until I can find something better. So we'll go ahead and press this bad boy down and let that run for the 60 seconds. And then when that pops up, we'll go ahead and place those boards down in just a minute. So now that is ready, I will pull that out. I will weigh that down, and we will go ahead and let that cool. Now that it's cooled, I'm going to go ahead and lift that wood off, and I am going to go ahead and start peeling the sublimation paper off of the actual hair clips. And I do have it taped down pretty vigorously, but you can see that as this comes up, the pattern is beginning to show. And it might not look so great, but fret not. I will show you what we can do to fix that in just a second. I'm gonna go ahead and get that all peeled off. Now you can see that there is some residue on it, but don't worry about that. That can easily come off. That is just paper that is sticking over. So I just take a baby wipe, an unscented baby wipe, and I rub pretty roughly on the clip itself. And that's just going to get that extra material off of the acrylic. So you'll see this not just with the pattern that I'm choosing, but probably some of the other ones, particularly darker colors that you do with that paper sticking. You can see how vibrant that is. I did choose to do a darker color with several colors in it, just so you can see how nice that looks when it's finished. So now that it's done, again, you just go ahead and wipe those down. You really can do this on anything, and I definitely hope that it is something that has helped y'all out as you go through and watch the video, because it really does have endless possibilities. Well, if you guys need anything else, feel free to reach out. If you're interested in me showing how to do this on clear cast acrylic, let me know. The colors don't come out nearly as vibrant, and you do have to be careful because you don't have that white printing out or showing up in the sublimation. That is why I tend to use the white cast acrylic, especially if there is white in a particular pattern. But if you're interested in the clear cast, just let me know, and I will post another video on how the clear will work. If y'all have any questions on suppliers, process, anything that I missed, let me know in the comments box below. And of course, feel free to like, share, and comment, because that does help me in the algorithm. And if y'all need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out. ShootingStarSVG, signing out.